Well, some changes are going on in the west. A big deep trough of low pressure in the upper atmosphere, in other words a dip in the jet stream, is ushering in colder air, and we're seeing that in the Pacific Northwest. All of that's going to move all the way down through California and then eventually east through the Rockies over the next couple of days. Now, with this trough, we're not really picking up a lot of moisture from the Pacific, so we don't have a lot of moisture to work with, but just the lifting of the air, the dynamics, is squeezing out the available moisture, and that's creating some showers in the northwest as we move through the rest of Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, some showers move down into the Los Angeles area. Now, if Los Angeles gets measurable rain, that'll be the first measurable rain since the 26th of July. So if you're driving, watch out, because just a little bit of rain on the surface mixing with oil could cause hydroplaning, so be careful if you're out there and it begins to rain tomorrow. In the higher elevations, we're looking for snow. Is it going to be a big snowstorm? No, because we don't have a lot of moisture. We will see a few inches of snow in the central and southern Sierra, also in some of the higher elevations around Los Angeles, maybe 2, 3, 4 inches. And with that, some of the snow levels will come down under 6,000 feet to about 5,500 feet. All of that activity, as we move through the next couple of days, will move inland, so the snow will show up in places like Utah and the Colorado mountains. Again, not a really big snowstorm. This isn't going to be like the storm we saw the end of last week. Last week, we had a lot more cold air coming out into the plains. That's not going to happen this time. Any precipitation that does come out of the plains will be in the form of rain. But we will see a lot of dynamics in the atmosphere, a very vigorous jet stream aloft, and that could produce some severe weather late Thursday and Thursday night in the high plains from South Dakota and Nebraska all the way down to the Texas Panhandle. And then as we move into Friday, that activity will move up into the northern plains, the Dakotas, with again, some severe weather, severe thunderstorms with hail and gusty winds. So a very complex system, a system that's ushering in cold air, but not a lot of moisture or heavy precipitation with this one.